Hi students, hope all are keeping fine. So this will be the last video of the drama Tempest, and we are concluding with this video. So only 2-3 more pages are there. So hope all are enjoying it. So we have seen till the Ariel brought all the sailors to the Prospero's cell. And he brought Caliban, Stephano, and Trinicula, and they are wearing stolen garments. Let every man take care of the others, and let nobody take care of himself, because everything depends on fortune. Have courage, my friend monster, have courage. So Stephano, after the punishment, or after he saw Prospero, the change, Prospero was ready to forgive to all. When he saw the mentality of Prospero, even Stephano has some change in him. And he is saying, now you people don't take care of yourself, you take care of others. And he is advising to Caliban, Triniculo, if the eyes which I have in my head do not deceive me, here is a splendid sight. So Trinicola is saying, my eyes, I believe that my eyes won't cheat me. They won't deceive me. So what in front of me is a splendid sight. By Setebos, these are really wonderful spirits. How fine my master Prospero is. I am afraid that he will punish me. So Caliban is saying, Ariel and his companions are good spirits, because they are here, and Prospero has forgiven to all these creatures, and he is saying, my master Prospero is a kind person. Sebastian, what strange creatures are these, Lord Antonio? Can they be brought with money? Antonio, it is possible that they could be brought with money. One of them is a plain fish, and no doubt can be brought. And they are speaking about whom? About Caliban. Okay. And Prospero, look at their clothes, and they say whether they are honest or not. This deformed rascal is the son of a witch. She was so powerful that she could exercise the power of the moon to make the tides flow as well as the ebb. He and his companions have stolen my garments. He is the illegitimate son of a witch due to her association with the devil. He is himself half a devil. He had conspired with the other two to murder me. You must be knowing the other two, since they are from your side. I admit that this wicked monster is my servant. And now Prospero is saying about Caliban. What Caliban is? Caliban is a devil, and he is a rascal, because he was the son of a witch. So only from his devilish mind only devil things comes. And for a surprise, he is saying to Alonso, the other two who joined with Caliban is your people, Stephano and Triniculo. So I admit the mistake from Caliban's side, because he is from my side, he is my servant, but the other two is from your side, Caliban. I will be pinched to death, so let I get the punishment. Alonso, is this not Stephano, my drunken butler? Sebastian, he is drunk at present. Where did he get the wine from? Alonso, Trinicola is staggering under the influence of wine. Where could they have found the strong liquor that has made them so drunk? How did you manage to get into this messy state? And Alonso is asking a doubt. So from where did you get this drink? Who gave you? And how did you breathe? What is your situation now? Trinicola, I have been in such a pickle, salt water, since I last saw you. I am afraid that I will never get the salt out from my bones. Being drenched in salt water, I am free from flies defiling me. Sebastian, well, what is the matter, Stephano? Stephano, oh, do not touch me, because I am not Stephano. I am a mass of pain. Prospero, so would you be the king of this island, sir? Stephano, I would have been the king full of pains then. Okay, so they are confessing about their treachery, their plan, because they know what they did is wrong. Alonso, this is a strange creature I have ever seen, pointing to Caliban, because this is the first time they are seeing a devilish type man, a creature, a different type creature other than the human being. Prospero, he is as abnormal in his manners as in his shape. Caliban, go to the cell, go to my cell. Take your companions with you, make the place look beautiful if you wish to seek my forgiveness. So what you have to do, Caliban? Prospero is saying, you go and join with your friends and make this place beautiful. If you want my forgiveness, what you have to do? Do the duty what I am given. Caliban, I will do so, and in my future I will behave sensibly if I have to win your favor. What a donkey I was to take this drunkard for a god and worship this dull fool. And Caliban is again confessing. So what a fool I am. I was in company with, I was drunken and I was in company with these people. Okay, so I accepted him as a god and my master. So that is a great mistake what I did. Prospero, well then, go and do as I ordered you. So if you are confessed, if you are confessing your mistakes, if you understand your mistakes, what you have to do now? You go and do what I have said now. Alonso, yes, go away and dispose of these clothes from where you found them. Now what you have to do? You remove all these clothes and keep it in the same place where you took. Sebastian, or rather put them back in the place from where you stole them. Exeunt Caliban, Stefano and Nicolo. Prospero, now sir, I invite your honor and your attendance to my humble cell where you may rest tonight. I will spend a part of this night telling you about things which will make your time pass quickly. It will be the story of my life and all that I had suffered, as well as that happened since I arrived on this island. Then in the morning I will take you to a ship which will take us to Naples, where I hope to see the solemn marriage of our dearly loved ones. After that I will return to my estate in Milan, where much of my future shall be spent in meditation on death. So here Prospero is saying, what he is saying? So now, dear sir means it is to Alonso. So you go and take the rest in my cell. So I will explain for your entertainment. I will explain you all the stories regarding my life, from my flee or from my journey from Milan to this island, and the things that will happen, and my life here in this island. Every detail I will say you when you are free or when you take rest. So you go. So next morning I will take you to the ship. From there we will go to Milan. There we will arrange the marriage of Ferdinand and Miranda. Okay, and after that, taking the charge of the kingdom, I will retire and I will move to another place for retirement. How will be my retirement? I will be meditating on some serious subjects. That is, one is death. Alonso, I long to hear the story of your life, which must captivate the attention of everybody. So I wish to hear. Alonso is saying, I wish to hear the story. I will tell you everything. Now I promise you calm seas, favorable winds, and voyage so speedily that you will catch up your royal fleet, which has already covered a long distance. Aside to Ariel, my dear bird, you have to make all the arrangements for this journey. After that you will be free to roam about in the air, and I bid you goodbye. Please sir, come this way. So now Prospero is saying, okay, so you wait. Now we are going to bring back your ship. Okay, we are moving to the Naples, and he is commanding to, or he is requesting, you can say now he is requesting to Ariel, what do you have to do? You do all the possible arrangements for our journey. After that, this is your last final work. After that you will be free. You will be free like a bird. You can roam anywhere. And please sir, come this way. Epilogue. Now this is the words, the final words of Prospero. What he is saying? Now I do not have my magical powers, and have only my own feeble strength. Here I must be detained by you, or sent back to Milan to look after it as the Duke. All my foes who wronged me are hereby forgiven. So he is saying what? Now I don't have any my magical powers. I am a normal human being. I am going back to Milan. So I forgive all the people, those who cheated me. It would be sad to keep me here on this barren island. Okay. I request you to release me from this confinement with good applause. So I am going to leave this place, beautiful place, and give me claps or send me goodbye. That helped me in the past. So let the favorable winds drive our sails, or else. Now it's a prayer. It's a prayer, we can say, all the things that is going to happen in future, let all the things be favorable to us. Let the wind sail properly, or wind drive properly to sail our ship, or else my plan which has to please you is doomed to fail. Now I lack the attending spirits as well as my magical skills. I will in despair unless your prayers bring me. So I don't have any more power, magical powers. I am leaving everything. What I am doing now. So only now your prayers can help me. Forgiveness and mercy from heaven above, which liberates man from his faults. So what should be forgiveness and mercy from heaven? Only the God who is able to liberate man from his faults. And as you would like to be forgiven of your sins, free me from here with your prayers. So what you have to do? If your sins want to be forgiven, what you have to do? You pray for me. You allow me to leave me from this place. Okay, let me go to my own kingdom. So here they are moving, and here is the end of the drama. The temples. Happily they are moving to Milan or Naples. Okay, so here we are concluding. This is the end. You revise the chapters and complete your workbook work. If there is any doubt, we will be clearing it. You can comment about it. Thank you.